Hello everyone, this is Alexander. Today, as always, I'll tell you about the progress of construction at Layan Green Park, Phase 2 on Phuket. This month, we started general work. We're building a retaining wall behind buildings G, H, and F to reinforce the slopes and protect the site. In Building F, we've completed pouring the floor slabs for the 5th and 6th floors, so the framework is 80% finished. At the same time, we're installing drainage systems. Water will be diverted without any delay. And finally, Building L, we're finishing the excavation of the rocky soil. The foundation pouring is at 55%. We've already started on the columns and walls of the first underground floor. Very soon, we'll see even more progress. In Building K, we've finished pouring the stair flights from the 1st to the 3rd floor. The installation of sewer pipes is complete on the 3rd and 4th floors. And now we're extending the pipe to the 5th floor. Fire evacuation systems have been installed from the 1st to 4th floors, and work continues on the 5th. In Building G, our progress on architectural work is at 48%. We've completed the interior brick wall masonry on the 6th floor and have already moved on to the 7th. And the plastering work on the 3rd floor is already behind us. Right now, we're working on the 4th floor. For the comfort of future residents, the installation of hot and cold water supply systems is at 35%. Electrical installation work is at 23%, while communications, air conditioning, and ventilation are already 33% complete. And yes, the installation of cable trays and channels for low-voltage systems, like communication, internet, and video surveillance, has reached 20%. The showroom is now fully glazed with stucco windows, and finishing work is underway there. It looks very stylish. In Building H, progress on architectural work is at 31%. We have finished building the walls on the 6th floor, and the workers have already moved on to the 7th. Plastering work is complete on the 2nd floor, and on the 3rd floor, it started a day ahead of schedule. Installation of cold and hot water supply systems underway on 5th floor. Electrical installation is at 23%. Air conditioning and ventilation are at 31%, while cable trays for communications and video surveillance are at 15%. If you're interested in following the progress of the construction, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And for those who are thinking about buying property on Phuket Island, I recommend taking a look at Layan Green Park Phase 2 because prices are even more attractive at the construction stage, and the building is progressing strictly according to plan. See you in the next updates.